You can listen, it's quite a very noisy day, but again, this is mile 17. Yes, the junction between the road going to Kumba, the one entering Buea, and the one coming, of course, from the littoral. I just came in from Kumba, as a matter of fact, and I just said I should stop here and see what's going on. But the rain, this is a wonderful season. Yes, the rain has come in a very turbulent way, and this shows us that what we do with our environment may come back to haunt us. So you can see everybody around mile 17 with the umbrella in the hand, yes, telling you that it's not been a very funny day today. Yeah, very, not drizzling, downpour. So, hey man, yes, yes, big man, hold the camera for my eye. Yes, that's very good. This is my man, you always trouble me here. You Anglophone like you, I come to my 17 and you speak but French to me. Why? Tell me why. You don't get any reason. Eh? And you come for here, I talk for you for English. You don't talk to a friend who want a Southern Cameroons. How?
More better let me go to go live on the country. Team the rob.
Yeah, the rob.
I don't know what to do at government. They do that money, master.
I don't know.
What kind of way this is?
Never the same.
You could get a wish.
Yes, me for be a go. You know want to see me go.
Master, you. I say I don't know me to have to do that fire.
Yeah, me go, me. I say me young boy like me so can't stop today.
Yeah, I say me that fire go, me go.
That's correct.
And you mama enter.
Maybe so. Now me this Third Republic. Yes, we need a Third Republic. Now me this after Ayijo. But they talk this thing very clearly. After Ayijo, after Paul Buea, the next part of this country must be an Anglophone. This is gentlemanliness. We don't have to say this behind the back. Very good. This is my point. Yes, it may not be me, but it should be somebody young and English speaking in this country. Yes, after Ayijo and Paul Buea. That's correct. Hear them. Very good. Yes, we're in my 17 talking. This is not FDP politics. This is national politics. For this country to know peace and then long-lasting development and then the biculturalism well expressed. The third president of this country in the Third Republic must be an Anglophone. Yes, we are at mile 17 in Paco, and I'm saying this several months before the man in Kumba when they decide to come here for the 50th anniversary of reunification. He should carry this message why he's coming in. The boys here want change in this country. Thank you very much. We want change. We want change. Yes. We want change. 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 Confirm. Yes. Show the camera up to the sky. That's very nice. Now only God now. Yes. We have done nothing wrong. We want change. We want change. Very good. Home. When shall I see my when shall I see I will never forget my home again. When shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home. Thank you very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.